If you would like to see how I achieve these beautiful, defined, moisturized, and shiny curls, please continue to watch. Hello, today I will be doing a twist out, and the products that I am going to be using are by the main choice, the Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion, and the 24 karat Glistening Gold Twisting Gel. I'm starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair, and I have my hair section off into a large section, and on this section I'm applying my leave-in lotion. Then I'm going to section that section off into smaller sections, and then I will begin applying my twisting gel. First I applied some water because my hair has started drying, and now I am making sure to get the gel all over my strands. And this gel gives my hair great definition. I'm just going to give you a quick look at my curls from this gel. Okay, now I'm going to begin doing my two-strand twist. Make sure when you're doing your two-strand twist that your sections are even, so you do not have to borrow hair while doing your twist. Once I get to the end of the twist, I will twirl the end around my finger and then wipe off the excess product. I will be repeating these steps for the rest of my hair, and then I will be back. It is now the next day. My hair is completely dry. I added some of my favorite oil to my fingers and I began to carefully take down my twists. And now that all of my twists are taken down, I am going to continue separating my twists so my hair will appear fuller and to hide those visible parts. I'm going to do this for all of my twists till I get the volume that I am looking for. Okay, right here I'm just using my wide tooth comb to continue separating and giving myself some volume and my style some type of a shape. And once I get the style that I'm looking for, the style will be complete. But first, I want to give you a close-up of what my curls are looking like from using these products. And these products gave me great hold, definition, and shine. And I do recommend this product. I really like this product. Okay, and it is nighttime, and so I decided I would record myself doing my nighttime routine. So right now I'm just taking my hair clips that I got from the beauty supply store and I'm clipping my hair in the front down because that hair likes to stand up or stick up. So at nighttime I always clip that down. Next, I will be sectioning my hair off into small sections using these satin scrunchies. And my purpose in doing this is to keep my hair defined and to keep it from getting tangled overnight. Okay, it is now the next morning and I am going to begin taking out all of these clips and these scrunchies. Once everything is removed, I will be putting some oil onto my hands and I will be fluffing my hair with my fingers. I'm just going to continue to fluff my hair and separate and hide those parts until I have my desired look once again. And I really hope you enjoyed my video. I hope it was helpful. If so, could you please hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be notified for every single video that I post. And if you made it to the end of my video, I really do appreciate that. And I hope to see you on the next one. Have a great day.